Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Bonawalu for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, just last week, on the 29th of August, the Air Services Agreement for Open Skies was signed between the governments of the United States and Fiji, which has been heralded as a great achievement by the coalition governments. We all know that the Honourable Prime Minister, together with the Deputy Secretary of State of the US, had signed this in Tonga last week, Honourable Speaker. In preparation for this milestone, earlier this month, Fiji Airways proudly announced its first ever non-stop flights connecting Nadi, Fiji, with Dallas Fort Worth International Airport, commencing on 10 December 2024. The new route represents a significant leap as Fiji Airways' 24th international direct flight and its 5th destination in North America, joining Los Angeles, San Francisco, Honolulu, and Vancouver. Honourable Speaker, just in terms of on Dallas itself, what we have there, Honourable Speaker, is the partnership with American Airlines. Fiji Airways is linked up with American Airlines, and the AA Advantage Travel Rewards Program, which is for American Airlines, a huge step forward for anyone flying Fiji Airways and American Airlines. Now, American Airlines Advantage members can enjoy ticketed through services on Fiji Airways with all the same benefits like priority checking, priority boarding, and etc. Honourable Speaker, AA Advantage is the longest running loyalty program in the world. Fiji Airways is now the 15th full member of the One World Alliance beginning in 2025. There are 115 million members of the AA Advantage program, the largest in the world. Dallas Fort Worth has 193 domestic US ports that fly directly to Dallas and 67 international non-stop destinations worldwide across 26 countries. So what it means, for example, tourists will be able to fly one stop from Rio de Janeiro in Brazil through Dallas to Fiji, or from London to Dallas and on to Fiji. Just one stop into Dallas, Honourable Speaker. The airlines in the One World Alliance include Alaska Airlines, American Airlines, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, Finnair, Iberia, Japan Airlines, JL, Malaysian, Qantas, Qatar, Royal Air Maroc, Royal Jordanian, Sri Lankan Airlines, Fiji Airways, and soon Oman Air. Dallas Airport, Honourable Speaker, is the third busiest airport in the world, and in 2023 served 82 million passengers in that year. American Airlines, Honourable Speaker, has 850 outgoing flights from Dallas Fort Worth Airport every day. 850 flights every day. Dallas is considered one of the best and most efficient airports in the world. Honourable Speaker, the service to Fiji is non-stop, over 13 hours, and will operate 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, utilizing a state-of-the-art Airbus A350-900 aircraft. In a joint effort, Tourism Fiji has launched a series of collaborative marketing campaigns aimed at maximizing the visibility of the new Dallas route. These campaigns span both digital and traditional media, specifically targeting key demographics in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. By showcasing Fiji's unique attractions and experiences through social media campaigns, search engine marketing, and targeted email initiatives, we aim to capture the interest of the vast majority of potential visitors. In addition to the direct marketing and advertising activities, the Fiji Airways sales team has also been actively promoting the new Dallas service through its trade partners, including travel agents, travel wholesalers like Flight Center, and online travel agents such as Expedia. These partnerships not only promote attractive travel packages featuring the new direct flights, but also include special incentive programs to further boost the promotion of Fiji as a travel destination. Mr. Speaker, to generate buzz and excitement, public relations around the new route, a series of press releases and media engagements are ongoing. These efforts will be complemented by collaborations with prominent travel influencers and bloggers who will create organic contacts that highlight the allure of Fiji and the convenience of our new services. Additionally, during the US roadshow in September, there will be targeted PR events, including the engagement of travel journalists, influencers, and industry stakeholders, further elevating Fiji's profile. Mr. Speaker, Tourism Fiji is also organizing promotional events and roadshows in the key cities, including Dallas, New York, Toronto, and Los Angeles, with 24 Fijian tourism businesses. Our participation in major travel trade shows and expos, including Virtuoso, Travel Week, and IMEX America, will allow us to directly engage with industry stakeholders and promote the new route. Since the announcement of the new Dallas service, Fiji Airways has been proactive in promoting it across key markets. Special offers were launched in the US, Fiji, Australia, New Zealand, and the Pacific, leveraging Fiji Airways paid and owned channels, including the website, social media, and paid search. Furthermore, last week, a promotional fair was launched through digital marketing in New York to drive travel to Fiji. Additionally, our consumer marketing initiatives will span key markets across Texas, California, New York, and Florida. These include outdoor advertising, strategic TV sports, and potential sponsorship opportunities with major Dallas-based brands. As part of our commitment to providing a unique Fijian experience, from the moment travelers step into Dallas, we are collaborating with the airport to establish a temporary Fiji-themed lounge. This pop-up Fiji lounge will offer a taste of renowned Fijian hospitality, cultural experiences, and detailed information about the new direct flights. Additionally, prominent signage within the airport will further promote the upcoming services. Mr. Speaker, to conclude, these marketing strategies are not only designed to elevate Fiji's visibility as a premier travel destination, but also to ensure the success of our new direct flights to Dallas. By broadening our global connectivity, we're not just bolstering tourism, we're opening new doors for Fijian businesses, creating opportunities for export products, and establishing vital partnerships with American companies. This initiative is a testament to our unwavering commitment to diversifying and strengthening our economy. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.